this is what the original African or Nigerian pap, ogi or akamu looks like. So as simple as it may look, it is quite difficult for a lot of people to achieve. So this is how the raw pap looks like. You start by adding it into a stainless plate. If you are still very new to this method, better use a stainless plate so that when the already made ogi gives a watery consistency, you can easily put it over the stove and apply heat to achieve a regular consistency. So you add your water little by little. When you are diluting the raw ogi, make sure you add the water little by little so that you don't get a watery consistency, because the watery consistency will make your ready-made pap to turn out watery. So you dilute it with little water. You don't have to be too thick and you don't have to be too watery. That's the raw ogi. So another tip is to make sure that your boiling water boiled very well and is showing bubbles. I purposely added a little clip of the boiling water to show you how it's not just by making sound. You have to look and see that the water is showing bubbles like this one. So when the water has boiled like this, you then go to the diluted ogi and turn it a little. Then you pour your water. As you're pouring your water, look out for slight traces of when the ogi is forming by the sides. Once you see it, as you can see on this one, you stop adding the water. Then another tip is to wait a little, like 5 or 10 seconds before you add your spoon to start turning, to allow the starch to gel. That's the essence of waiting a little. So you see how the ready-made pap is looking very nice and the consistency is very okay. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mom.